everyone, welcome back to Ukulele with Laurie. For this video, we're going to be doing Come Thou Fount. Let's go ahead and tune our ukuleles real quick first. Okay, so for this song, we're only going to need to do 4 chords, all of which you guys should already know. The first chord is C, 3rd fret of the bottom string. Then we've got a G. That's not G. That's G. That's the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and the 2nd fret of the bottom string. We need an F, the 2nd fret of the top string, and the 1st fret of the 3rd string. And we have an A minor, the 2nd fret of the top string. Now, I have thought of so many different ways to play this. I thought of doing a 3-2-1, which sounds like this. My nails are so long, so it's like, it sounds really messy. That's one way you can play this song. Or you can do full-on strumming, which is what we're going to do for this song. I don't know. This song sounds really good with just about any style of playing. So, but we're going to do kind of like, I guess, a modified island strum. I guess we'll kind of figure it out as we go. Yeah. So let's go ahead and we're going to start this song. It starts out a cappella and it comes in on a C on Fount. So let's go ahead. Come thou fount of every blessing. On blessing, we're going to go to G. Blessing to my heart. On heart, we're going to go to F. Heart to sing thy grace. And on grace, we're going to go to C. So I guess it feels like we kind of are doing a full island strum. I think I might just be like, maybe not quite strumming as much on some strums to like not emphasize so much. I just kind of strum however you want. Everything sounds good with this one. So, grace, streams of mercy, never cease. On ceasing, we're going to go to G. Ceasing, call for songs. On songs, we're going to go to F. Songs of loudest praise. And on praise, we're going to go to C. Praise. Teach me some. On some, we're going to play that A minor. Some melodious sonnet. On sonnet, we're going to go back to G. Sonnet, sung by flame. On flaming, we're going to go back to F. Flaming tongues above. Above, we're going to go back to C. Praise the mount, I'm fixed upon it. So on pawn, of upon, we're going to go to G. On it, mount of thy. On thy, we're going to go to F. Thy redeeming love. That was a nice easy one. So once you master this, you can apply it to all of the verses. You can find all different ways that you can strum this song. I don't know, this one just sounds great with everything. So let's go ahead and we're going to play through it together. I'm going to try to control my speed. I feel like I always go way too fast when I say we're going to go slow. Let's go ahead. Come thou fount of every blessing, to my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy, never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by that was a super simple one, very frequently requested. I'm so glad I got it done for you guys instead of just sitting on it like I've been doing like a loaf for this whole COVID thing. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. You can also find me on Facebook. You can go ahead and click the link in the upper right corner of my profile, or you can find us at facebook.com/groups/ukulele with Laurie. You can try messaging me on here on YouTube. You can leave a comment. I'll try my best to help you and seek you out wherever you are searching for help. You can leave me your requests in the comments. You can come find me on Facebook. We've got a lot of stuff kind of going on in the group. Sometimes people like to post videos of themselves playing in there and ask for like really direct advice. It's a fun place to be. So with all of that being said, I'm going to continue on with your guys' requests because you got some really good ones. And I guess I will see all of you guys next time.